Now in this segment, we're going to go over force control adjustments or opener sensitivity. Now I've got a few different models here that we'll go over. Some of the uncommon machines like this have it on the side. Very simple. Open force, close force. If I turn those screws and maximize that, it's going to hit something and keep going. It's going to crush your door, damage your car, or whatever. You want the opener to have just enough power to open and close the door. If the opener is not opening the door, then I'm going to increase the open force. Now, stepping down to this one here, same brand, same location. What you need to look for is where those dials are. On the older machines, they come out the back if it's a Genie. Now, let's step down here. LiftMaster, this one is located on the other side, about the same spot. Now, with the Genies, you usually have to take the lens cover down to access the sensitivity dials. The cover on this particular display is already off. You've got an up sensitivity and a down sensitivity. Both can be controlled independently depending on the setting you want. If you have a heavy door, the up is going to be higher, the down is going to be lighter. On the older Genies, the screw runs all the way through the machine and comes out the back, and you'll see a metal or a plastic nut on the back. You tighten that nut and it gives the machine more power, but they're not quite as accurate, and they do tend to get sticky, which in turn can crush your door if you have a metal sectional door. Now, on the more modern machines, such as this one here, this is a side mount, LiftMaster 3800. Lift the case back here. There's no dials. The sensitivity on this machine is controlled electronically, which means the machine will weigh your door. It'll open and close it 3 times, gather up that information of how much pressure it takes, and store it. No dials, everything's electronic. This is state of the art here for now. Now, on the LiftMaster chain drives that don't have a lens cover in the back, you can clearly see the sensitivity dials. You've got up, you've got down, you've got numbers. The dial is pie-shaped, points you to a number. On a sectional door that's not too heavy, not too big, you're typically going to be somewhere in the range of 5. On a one-piece door, I'd probably bump that up to 7. That controls the door, each one independently. Up and down force control can both be set different. You can have one higher than the other, has no effect. All depends on the door.